This is Midwest Washing Equipment with a quick video on a stock 8-foot truck skid we have available. This is an 8-foot skid. Start over here on the driver's side. We have a nice toolbox for parts storage right there. It has our Vortex fill and go station for onboarding chemical and soap. 11-gallon gas tank. The soft wash pump is an AR45. We can swap that out to a P40 if you would prefer. The pressure washer is an IGX 800, 10 gallon a minute, belt drive unit. We have 3 electric hose reels, 2 18-inch, water supply, AR45 soft wash, and 200 feet of high pressure hose. 270 gallon water capacity, 100 gallon bleach, and 2 20-gallon soap tanks. This unit also has our remote rinse module for the soft wash system to switch between chemical and rinse. And then our Hydro Mixer XL with 2 soap valves. Dump valve on the water tank, electrical box. Again, this is an 8-foot skid. AR45 gas-powered soft wash pump, Vortex fill and go station. This is ready to ship or pick up. Gonna add a surface cleaner tray up top. Give us a call at 317-390-4103 or on the internet, www.washingequip.com. Thanks for watching.